Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Jamie and I'm the English trainer over on the Scriptcase channel, but here on Scriptcase by Jamie it's just me, and I'm here to show you how you can make the most out of Scriptcase as well as other things. Scriptcase by Jamie is the place where we will explore everything to know about development with Scriptcase and other, from deploying projects to hosting environments, working and planning. We will cover it all while we are listening to the twittering of the birds. So I hope you don't mind, but it is a very hot day today and it seems I can't close the office door again, which is really becoming a little annoying. So anyway, grab yourself a cup of coffee, sit back and let's dive right into the latest updates that I have for you today. So first of all, I have got some exciting new themes to show you. I recently launched 3 new themes which you can see on your screen now. These are sure to make your website or platform stand out. The first one is Bold and Beautiful. So let's take a look at that. And here, Bold and Beautiful, which is perfect for anyone who wants to make a statement with their website design. Here you see the chart, and let's change the chart around. And we should have some chart data there. We're not having any chart data there right now. So let's jump over to the grid, and here we have a custom grid. We have then also the layout for the forms, as well as all the objects, the widgets and everything else, all the pop-ups. They're all custom like you see here. They all have the same kind of layout, including the search form and everything. So this will apply to your entire project within Scriptcase. Let's actually refresh that one. And there we have the chart also. So as I was saying, this will apply to all of your projects or any of your projects within Scriptcase. You just need to import the theme, enter the theme, and then store or save, should I say, the theme within your Scriptcase environment. And then you can apply this to as many or any or as many projects that you please. And as you can see, it has some nice dark colors here with the orange as well as the greeny here, and I hope you like it. It does come with complete customizations for all elements within the theme, as I was just mentioning. So next up we have a breath of fresh air. So let's have a look at that. So this theme is light, airy and perfect for anyone who wants a clean and minimalistic look, with some clean colors and again matching buttons and also the chart themes and so on. So everything has been customized, and again you have here the grid, the form and everything looking very nice. Of course you can make your own customizations to anything as you please. Then last of all we have Revolutionize your development. Now this theme is perfect for developers who want to showcase their work in an innovative and modern way, which as you can see has some nice browns, and I really do like this theme, but out of the 3, well, I'm really not sure. I actually like how each of them has come out. Of course you can still make various customizations to the theme by adding header and footer templates with other customizations that you may want. Again, the theme has custom buttons and other elements. Now here we are seeing, for instance, the items. Now these should be coming up with the same color, but this seems to be a bug within Scriptcase right now. But you can still go ahead and customize these and confirm that within the theme template. It's all set, so as soon as this is resolved within Scriptcase, they should then also be within the right colors, as we have here the lovely orange buttons. Now each of these themes has been designed to give your platform a unique and eye-catching look that will help you stand out from the competition and of course make whatever you create much more appealing. But that's not all. I have also given the original templates a makeover in title so that they better reflect their style. So now you'll know exactly what you're getting. So we have, first of all, the streamlined contact form. Now this is prepared for your control form, and with this you have a login with navigation, You also have a contact form, as well as a contact form with navigation also. And you can check each of these templates that you have available just by clicking here the check button, and it will let you know that everything is required within that template already. So then all you need to do is customize your fields and make any other adjustments that you would want, and off you go. We then have the futuristic control forms with a different layout compared to the streamlined contact and login forms. Here we have the login form. Again, we can preview that and confirm again what kind of theme it is, and that it is all prepared for us for our control form. And again, we can click here the check button, and it will check that all of the required fields are there provided. Again, you have this available as a standard login, as well as a login with navigation, and also a contact page, and then also the contact page with navigation. And finally, we have the premium corporate control forms. This special edition option includes some extra form layouts. And as you can see with this one, we have some extra options here. We have a contact form option 1, and this is the type of layout you have there. You have also a contact option 2, and this is the layout that you have there. And they are very nice and stylish and more corporate looking. You have that then also available with a navigation, and then also for the login form, which you can view here and see what that looks like. There we have again the login option 2 available. So we have different options and further options available within this special edition template. Now each of these are fully configured, and again we can just check the form and all of the values are provided and available for us. You can implement these with your own project just by adding them and importing them into your external libraries. Okay, now let's talk about the latest updates to the ScriptcaseByJamie website, because I have revamped the site a little to make it easier for you to find what you are looking for. I want to make sure that you can find everything you need quickly and easily, so that you can spend less time searching and more time developing. And I'm also planning at some point to make further changes to the site. There are a few things about it I'm not really liking very much, and there will also be an important change to how ScriptcaseByJamie will be run. So do keep your ears to the ground, and maybe you'll hear some vibrations there, and of course you will find out what is happening. Oh, and before I forget on the site, because I also added a new feature to the website that I am quite excited about, and it's called the Buy Me a Coffee page, and I can access that here in the footer. And it's a great way to support my work, help, support the channel, whatever you like. If you found my content helpful and you want to show your appreciation, you can buy me a coffee. This will of course help me also to continue creating great content for you and the rest of the community. Finally, I want to tell you more about the members knowledge base, the progress, and well, more about the membership overall. And members, those that have joined already, wait till the end. There's something special for you coming. As part of the membership program, you receive access to exclusive content, information, snippets, code, and tutorials. And it's a great way for you to learn more about Scriptcase and many other things, and to take your development skills really to the next level. Now, I want to help you become the best developer you can be, for sure better than me, and the knowledge base is just one of the ways that I'm going to do that. And with that in mind, let's start first of all by having a look what's available. So as a member, you receive access here to the custom CRM panel. So thank you very much, Patricia, for letting me use your access, because I am right now showing everyone the panel on your membership. So here is what Patricia sees. And Patricia can see here all of the knowledge bases that are available. So there are already the PHP and MySQL ones, which have tons of content there already. The JavaScript one I still need to work on, but I have been concentrating on the Scriptcase membership knowledge base. And of course, because members join, I need to provide them content. So that is what I have been concentrating on. Now, there is also my personal knowledge base, and this will be a very long-term project, believe me, because I have a ton of content to add in there, and we will have a look at that in a moment. So if you haven't seen the PHP MySQL knowledge bases, check over on the website, and you have here the KBs option, and there you will find access to both of those knowledge bases. So just check back over on the site. You have here the KBs section, and there you will find more information on the other knowledge bases. And those being, of course, the PHP, MySQL, and at some point the JavaScript knowledge base. Right now, Scriptcase has had many updates here. So I have been piling content in here and working tirelessly at this for the last weeks. So members, I hope you like what you see now. And you have a ton of content in here. A lot of this is there. Now, I would like to say that the majority, around 85, 90% of the basic content that I want to add is already in here. You have PHP snippets, you have some JavaScript snippets that are specific for Scriptcase, of course. You have information on backing up, how to keep your backup secure, all sorts of information on versioning, license information, you know, the typical things, macros. You have best practices for pretty much anything where you need it, as well as information on components and more. So let's look here first of all at the best start series. So here I have some very basic information on how to start with Scriptcase, project planning, database design, project management, and much more. There's also information on introduction to Scriptcase. So if you're starting out with Scriptcase, this will be the resource that will help you learn about everything you need to learn. Okay. Now in here, you will have everything. At the moment, you have pretty much a great deal already. I would like to, the thing is, I'm already planning on adding a load more in the next stage. So at the moment, it's all of the basic information, but I'm still wanting to add a load more for the advanced topics. So for instance, if I come here to the Scriptcase applications, you see there is an application missing there. There is a reason for that, and you will hopefully find out about that soon. But here, for instance, with the grid, we have all the basic information with the grid, but we have all of these options that we have available, and I want to create something specific on these because a lot of these really open up the power of each of your applications, and they will also all be available in here. So there is still a ton of content that I want to add. But otherwise, you have themes, templates are already in here. You have HTML templates and snippets in here ready for you. For instance, there's snippets here, a header template. I'm going to jump out of that again because that's obviously for members. But you have all of this information here already, plus a ton of content. So know that I'm always looking for ways to improve your Scriptcase experience, as well as many other things in my life. So I'm very excited about the future plans I have for the membership area. So in the coming months, I will be launching also a new training platform where you can watch very specific topics designed to streamline your learning experience. There you will find many topics, not only Scriptcase. So whether you are a beginner or an advanced developer, my new training area will have something for everyone for sure. And as a member of Scriptcase by Jamie, you will, of course, get some nice discounts to go along with this new training area. But that's not all. I'm also still offering a special promotion for my members. For those who sign up today, maintain their subscription price, and that is right now with 50% off. I will possibly run it for a few more weeks now, but then I'm sorry, it will be gone. But of course, I will then run the odd promotion for themes, templates, as well as memberships, but never with the 50% again, and it will not be at the current price, as the price will be increasing as the content is added. So I won't be running the current sale again in the future as more content is added. So be sure to sign up for the membership program before the price increases again, because yes, I literally just upgraded, because yes, I just increased the price, and get access to your exclusive content, discounts, tutorials, insider tips from Scriptcase by Jamie. So don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Okay, so we're still looking here now at the members area, and there is one addition here for the members that you may have not noticed, or that was not entirely complete. So I do apologize for that. But as you see, I've not entirely see, because I've only shown you a tiny snippet here of what is available in here now. As I said, it's members only. So that's the way it is, I'm afraid. Now, to become a member, you can register on the website. And when you are a member, you will have access to this, as well as quick access to the other knowledge bases, as well as other information. For instance, here on the personal one, I wanted to show you this very quickly. This is what is available to members right now. And as you see, I have not got a lot of content there. I do have more content available to be posted in there. I just need to, organize it more. But as I said, it's been all on the Scriptcase knowledge base for the moment. But as a member, you will also have access here to the onboarding. So do check this out. That is available up here in the corner, right next to the logo. And there you have here the club members only area. So accessing this, you will then have some specific information for your membership. So do check that out, and it will help you organize your discounted trainings as well as your discounted consultations. It will give you also some information here on what's coming soon that I'm not sharing here in the channel, not until the time comes. So do check that out. And of course, I will be updating and adding more content as we go along. So as I was saying, the knowledge base, it has nearly all basic content, a load of snippets, templates, and more ready for you to learn from. And believe me, that is only the beginning of it. I have a load more content I will be adding for you guys. And while I'm talking about members, welcome to those who have already made the great choice in joining. As you can see for sure, you have made a great choice. The knowledge base has near all basic content, a load of snippets, templates, and more ready for you to learn from. And believe me, that is only the beginning of it. I have a load more content I will be adding for you guys and gals. But wait, some of you maybe have joined for the free templates and themes. Well, good on you. They will be added very soon. No worries, in round 2 of the templates and themes. So when I have added more to the store, I will be selecting one of each. So one theme and one template, and I will be placing them into the members only area for you to download, of course. And well, you guys can be sure I don't stop creating. So you will have a great deal of content to go over. And as a member, well, you will have the grunt of it. And as I have been creating knowledge bases and such training platforms in the past, just for others, you can be sure you will have a great deal to learn from. So sign up to the newsletter, get your tips and discounts, be the first to know, and that is a wrap for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this update on Scriptcase by Jamie. Don't forget to click the little present in the bottom right corner to get all of your latest updates and some discounts on the website. Like, comment, subscribe to help and support the channel. Buy me a coffee. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one with a load more content.